You've been chasing AI stocks. They're hot, volatile, exciting, and yes, they know how to keep things interesting. But sometimes, you need something a little more stable, not flashy, not flaky, just good old-fashioned follow-through. Today, we're talking about the Roth IRA, a long-term commitment that grows with you, shows up for you, and never ghosts you when things get rough. It may not be the flashiest account out there, but when it comes to building real wealth, it's giving everything it's supposed to. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you contribute after-tax money. That means everything it earns can grow and be withdrawn tax-free later. You already paid your taxes up front. Now you let your money work. No surprise charges, no drama. Just quiet, consistent growth. To open a Roth IRA, you need to have earned income. Your income must be under $153,000 if you are single, or under $228,000 if you are married. You can contribute up to $6,500 per year, or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Start small. Stay consistent. Let it compound. Step 1. Choose a provider. Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab are solid choices. If you prefer apps, look into M1 Finance or Betterment. Step 2. Open your account. Fill out your info and link your bank. Easy and smooth. Step 3. Fund it. You do not have to contribute everything at once. Even $50 is a great start. Just don't leave it empty. That sends the wrong message. Step 4. Invest the money. This part matters. Your account does not grow unless you invest. If you want something easy, start with a target date fund. It automatically adjusts based on your age and timeline. You could also go with an index fund, like one that tracks the entire market, or a simple exchange-traded fund. Low maintenance, long-term, dependable. These are not here to excite you daily. They are here to stay. Roth IRAs do not go viral. They are not flashy. They are not loud. But they do show up. They compound, and they quietly build real wealth. So if you're ready to stop chasing hype and start building something stable, this is it. Open a Roth IRA. Let future you thank you, probably with a paid-off house and zero tax guilt. Subscribe to Moneycraft for more content that actually treats your money right. Next up, the AI stocks I am avoiding, even if everyone else is in love with them.